Hey guys, this tutorial will show you how you can easily import your subscriber list into your email list from Campaign Monitor. Firstly, you need to sign up for Campaign Monitor, then log into your Campaign Monitor account and navigate to Account Settings. Click on the API Keys option to generate the API key and client ID. In the next page, you will see your API key and client ID. Copy both of these credentials. Now go to email and click on Import. Now click on Campaign Monitor. Paste the credentials you copied and hit Next. Select the Campaign Monitor subscriber list. If you want to import subscribers with Campaign Monitor, then click on the button that says Import Subscribers with Campaign Monitor List. If you want to import subscribers into a Wemail list, then click on this button. Choosing this option will prompt you to select a Wemail list. So go ahead and select the Wemail list you want to import your users into. If you want, you can override the existing users, but this is optional. Next, map all the fields and click on Start Importing. Your file will be successfully imported. Click on View List to view your updated list. Now select a list that has been updated. You can see that the subscribers are stored under the selected list. And that is how you can easily import your subscriber list into your Wemail list from Campaign Monitor. For more information on email marketing for your WordPress site, be sure to check out getwemail.io and subscribe to our YouTube channel.